For more than a century, Mercedes-Benz defined the sound, the soul, and the power of the automobile. But what happens when silence becomes the new symbol of dominance? Tonight, we don't just reveal a car, we witness the end of an era and the birth of something inevitable. The GLC was never just another SUV. It became one of Mercedes-Benz's global bestsellers, a symbol of balance between luxury, performance, and everyday practicality. From suburban America to European city streets, the GLC quietly built an empire. But the world changed faster than anyone expected. Regulations tightened, cities demanded silence, consumers demanded conscience, and suddenly, legacy wasn't enough anymore. This wasn't just about replacing an engine, it was about rewriting identity. And now, the wait is over. This is the Mercedes-Benz GLC EV. Familiar in name, but fundamentally reborn. The moment the light hits its surface, you can feel it. This isn't an experiment. This is confidence fully electric. Mercedes didn't design the GLC EV to look shocking. They designed it to look inevitable. The proportions are clean. The surfaces are calm. Every line feels intentional, less aggression, more authority. This is luxury that doesn't need to shout. Compared to the combustion-era GLC, the EV feels smoother, calmer, more mature, not younger, wiser. Underneath the silence lives the real revolution. The GLC EV abandons complexity for intelligence. An electric architecture designed not just for speed, but for efficiency, balance, and longevity. Old problems demanded new answers. Range anxiety became energy management. Mechanical noise became digital feedback. And performance became instant. This isn't about numbers on paper, it's about how the car feels when power arrives without warning. Step inside, and the world slows down. The cabin doesn't overwhelm, it welcomes. Light, sound, temperature, all responding to you, the other way around. Screens feel less like technology and more like atmosphere. Ambient lighting flows instead of flashes. This is where luxury evolves from material to experience. The GLC EV doesn't arrive alone. It enters a battlefield dominated by Tesla, BMW, and new electric challengers. But Mercedes brings something different. Not disruption, but reassurance. A bridge for buyers who want the future without abandoning the past. In the premium electric SUV segment, this could be the quiet turning point. The GLC EV isn't just a new model, it's a message. Mercedes-Benz is no longer asking if the electric future will come. They're deciding how it should feel. Silent, confident, human. And as cities grow louder and roads grow smarter, this might be the kind of luxury that truly lasts. Is this the electric Mercedes you've been waiting for? Let us know what you think, and if you believe this truly marks the end of gasoline's golden age. Subscribe to Carsnouva for cinematic stories of the machines shaping tomorrow.